Welcome to Powerscourt Estate in Enniskerry, County Wicklow, began as a 13th century Norman castle, evolving into a 100-room Palladian mansion designed by Richard Castles for the Wingfield family, Viscounts Powerscourt, in the 1730s. Renowned for its 47-acre, 18th century, and Italianate gardens. The estate was destroyed by fire in 1974, rebuilt in 1996, and now operates as a top Irish tourist attraction. 12th–16th century, the medieval castle, following the Anglo-Norman invasion. The land was granted to the Le Power family, later anglicized to Power, who built a medieval castle to command the surrounding rivers, Dargle, Glencree, Glencullen. The area was later contested by Irish families like the O'Tooles. 17th century, the Wingfield era, following the 9 Years' War. Sir Richard Wingfield was awarded the estate in 1609 by King James I for his military service. The family would hold the land for centuries as Viscounts Powerscourt. 18th century, the Palladian mansion, starting around 1731, Richard Wingfield, 1st Viscount, commissioned German architect Richard Castles to transform the old castle into a grand Palladian mansion, completed in 1741. It featured a central block and wings stretching to obelisks. 19th century, development of gardens. The 7th Viscount heavily landscaped the grounds, adding the Japanese garden, Triton Lake, and Italian terraces over decades, often working during summers. 20th century, destruction and restoration. In 1961, the Slazenger family purchased the estate. Following a devastating fire in November 1974 that left it a shell, the house was extensively restored and reopened in 1996. The house, known for its dramatic, partially ruined look post-1974, now housing shops, a cafe, and hosting events. The gardens, 47 acres of landscaped, formal gardens, including the Italian garden, pet cemetery, and pepperpot tower. Estate grounds contains the highest waterfall in Ireland, 2 18-hole golf courses, and a distillery. Why not take a history tour around Enniskerry with this map and guide to its history? The walk begins at the Explore Enniskerry, a scenic village in a lush valley at the foothills of the Wicklow Mountains. Visit magnificent Powerscourt Estate and wander through the glorious gardens. Spend some time at the incredible Powerscourt Waterfall. Check out the Coolakay Agricultural Museum, or rent a bike and cycle around the scenic parklands of this picturesque area.